Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. We're continuing today with grade 8 geometry, which is paper 2. So let's start with today's question. Find with reasons the values of A, B, and C in alphabetical order. So we'll have A, B, and C. We have to find them in an alphabetical order. So we'll start with A. So the first thing is A is vertically opposite to 105, which means we'll say A is equal to 105 degrees. The reason is vertical opposite angles. And then let's go to question B. Let's find B, angle B. So we know that since AB is parallel to CD, we will say A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is co-interior angles. And then since we've established that A is 105, we can just replace A by 105. And then B will be 180 minus 105, which is 75 degrees. And then let's go to C, angle C. Okay, we can see that angle C and 105 are on a straight line. We can just say C plus 105 is 180 degrees. You can just say the reason is they are supplementary angles, and then therefore C is 180 minus 105. This is 105. Okay, let's just make sure that this is clear. So here you'll have 180 minus 105, which will be C is equal to 75 degrees. Okay, let's move over to the second question. Find with reasons the value of X. So we're given that AB is parallel to CD. That means these two angles are equal. So the first thing is angle B is equal to angle C. The reason is alternating angles. Since angle B is 4x, we'll replace it by 4x, and angle C is x plus 30. So we'll take x to the left hand side. It will come as negative. Then on the left hand side you'll have 3x is equal to 30. Divide by 3 on both sides. X is equal to 10 degrees. Okay, so let's go to question 3. Find with reasons the values of x and y. Okay, here we're given that this side and that side are equal, which means this angle will be 3x as well, equal to this angle. So we can start by saying angle C is equal to 3x. The reason is AB is equal to BC, or this is an isosceles triangle. If you like, you can just write as your reason isosceles. I hope they got the spelling right there for isosceles. And then from here on, we can say this angle plus this angle plus this angle will give us 180. The reason would be the sum of angles of a triangle. So 3x plus 3x plus 6x is going to give us 12x is 180. So divide by 12 on both sides. Then you'll find that x is 180 divided by 12 which is 15 degrees. Okay, now let's calculate for y. Let's calculate for y. We can see that y is the exterior angle. So let's write this side. Y is equal to angle A plus angle B. The reason is the exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposing angles. So A is 3x. Okay, A is equal to, we're gonna say y is equal to, instead of saying y plus, so A is 3x and then B is 6x, right? So since we've established that x is 15, so this will give us 9x, right? And then we'll replace x by 15. Since you've calculated x to be 15, so the answer here for y is going to be 135 degrees. So let's do the final question for today. Question 4. Find what reasons the value of x. So we're given angle E and angle B, which they are not equal. So the first thing we can say is angle B is equal to angle D1, right? So the reason for that is corresponding angle, since DE is parallel to BC. So the reason say corresponding angles. Therefore, D1 is also equal to 4x plus 30. So you can write here 4x plus 30, that's angle D1. So you must realize that if you sum this angle and that angle and that angle, they must give you 180 degrees. So 4x plus 30 plus 2x minus 10 plus 64 degrees will give us 180. The reason is the sum of the angles of the triangle are 180. So here we'll have 4x and 2x, which will give us 6x. 30 minus 10 is 20. 20 plus 64 is 84, is equal to 180. So basically from here we'll solve for x. Here we'll have 96, and we divide by 6 both sides, then x is equal to 16 degrees. Okay, we've come to the end of our today's lesson. If you like today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe and stay tuned on the next lesson. Cheers.